So the question is, can David on his own go through these instructions and build this set? This is going to be quite a challenge for a 4-year-old. That's the big question. Can a 4-year-old build a regular Lego City Lego set? Not Lego Duplo now, but Lego City. And it says for ages 5 to 12, and he's not 5 yet. So let's see if he can follow directions and build this. This will be quite interesting. So I'm going to set up the time lapse now. David, are you ready to build?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. I'll open that for you.
I can open it. Hey guys, this Legos minifigures, then we're gonna go devoted towards the direction. So we need a scissor to cut it.
So he got a little excited about being able to do this video, and he didn't wait for me, and he opened it back. He opened it already. But this is the little construction set that comes with 4 minifigures and the construction vehicle. It'll go well in the Lego City. Brett and I are building in this room, and the other over there on the table. We're gonna do a little time lapse here. Alrighty, David, did you build it or what?
I built it.
You sure did. Good job. I'm very impressed. Now, I did have to help David on just a few things. Not sure if you noticed that or not, but putting the gray pieces inside the wheels, he had a little difficulty with that. And a little difficulty with the side gray piece where the water's coming out, right next to the toilet. Little difficulty getting that. So, other than that, he did the whole thing himself. I thought he really had trouble with this item. Putting that on here, on that hinge, I really thought he would have a hard time with that, but actually did it all by himself pretty quickly. And so, there's the, I don't know, what do you call this kind of a, it's not a bulldozer, that's the thing that pushes. This is more like a front end loader.
At the top.
Potty?
Yep.
There's the potty.
It's at the top.
With water spurting out of the tubes or the pipes. So you got 4 minifigures. There's a guy who's working with the whatchamacallit, jackhammer. Got these little cones. This looks like the foreman. David, what's his name?
Huh?
What's his name?
His name is Ofrey.
Ofrey?
Yeah. No, he's Okray.
Okray?
Yep.
What's that? Is that a name?
I think
he's the foreman on the job. He's got the mega horn, so he's in charge.
He's at the job.
So the woman is got a kind of a hammer type thing. And here's the front, here's the back. Now, I don't know if in fact they've got 2 faces in it. I didn't notice that when we put it together. Let me set the camera right here, and then I'll take a close look. Okay, let's see what we got here. So she's got a hair piece connected to her hat. Nope, just one face. And then the foreman on the job, he's got a beard action going on and only one face. It looks like all these people may have just one face. Now this guy's got goggles on, protective goggles for the jackhammer. Nice smiley face, he's happy with his work. And then he's got like, ear muffs on his, keep the sound out. But he's only got one face. Now this thing opens up, and this guy...
no, Daddy, you broke it.
I did? Oh no. Check. So this guy has got some sweat coming off his brow because he's working so hard. Let me take this. Actually, I can just turn it around. You can see he doesn't have two faces. They all have their hard hats on, protected in case something falls from the demolition site right on their head.
Wow.
Okay, last but not least, we've got the toilet with busted pipes and part of the demolition site, and that's it.
There's one in and there's photos on these people and the potty.
Alrighty, okay, that was David's way of saying thanks for watching him build this set. Don't forget to subscribe to LucasTV Toys. Click the notifications bell so you don't miss any future videos. Of course, all the future videos most likely will have Brent back on it, building bigger sets and really cool things. And we'll see you in another video. Say goodbye, David.
Goodbye.
Hey guys, here are some of my other videos, and I know you're gonna love them, so go ahead and watch them.